Hello guys, welcome back to Alpha Show, a channel that will completely change your life from negative to positive and make you the person you always wanted to be. After this video, you will learn well-researched reasons why you should own at least 100 Chainlink tokens. Also referred to as LINK, its native token, Chainlink, has been one sizzling crypto for some time now. In May 2021, LINK-USD skyrocketed as high as 208% from $11.27 at December's end to about $37 on May 17, 2021. This is rather interesting because LINK came immensely off its bullish high of $52.20 on May 9, 2021. Chainlink's journey is simple yet impactful. It offers the missing link between the blockchain world and the outside world through the creation of decentralized oracle networks. Something exciting is always happening over at Chainlink, and every crypto enthusiast and investor shouldn't be left out of what the dynamic team there is building. Despite its launch in 2017, years after several of its competitors, Chainlink has managed to make itself one of the top digital assets to own. But the question remains, is it a good investment? When compared with Bitcoin's price action and the crypto world's market performance, many signs demonstrate Link's potentials. In mid-2018, Chainlink was far from the top 100 cryptos by market capitalization, but today it is ranked 13th with a market cap of over $11 billion. In this video, I'll examine how Chainlink works and explain what it offers differently from other blockchain platforms. I will talk about price prediction with projected market cap and price as well. What is Chainlink? In 2017, smart contract Chainlink Limited created the crypto I will be focusing on in this video. In its initial coin offering, ICO, the company raised $32 million, intending to become the middleman software solution that will make smart contract applications on any blockchain to receive, communicate, and send data to off-chain sources via the use of oracles. By oracle, I'm certainly not referring to some priestess or priest that knows the mind of Mount Olympus's deities. The oracle is a data feed that links blockchains to off-blockchain data. The network offers dependable and unbreachable inputs and outputs for complicated smart contracts on any blockchain. Link is the digital asset used to pay for the that the network offers. Among Chainlink partners are Google, Synthetics, Celsius, Nexus Mutual, Celsius, and Intel. Chainlink's real value. To comprehend the benefits of Chainlink and its operation, you need to get the basics and technical concepts. I will start with smart contracts. Smart contracts. You must have heard smart contract before in the crypto world. What are they? Smart contracts are pre-specified agreements on the blockchain that assess data and automatically implement when some conditions are fulfilled. A perfect example of this is crowdfunding for startups. If by a certain date some amount of Ether is deposited into a smart contract, then the funds will be released to the startup. But if that is not the case, the funds go back to the donors. So given the fact that smart contracts operate on a blockchain, they can't be changed and are verifiable. Everyone can see them. This guarantees a high level of trust among the players involved. If smart contracts must make agreements beyond those that concern the information that exists on the blockchain, off-chain data is required in an off-chain set. But how do we link outside information sources, external data, to blockchain smart contracts in a language they all understand? This is one of the major drawbacks of smart contracts. Meanwhile, smart contract functionality has developed in recent times with the likes of Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, and the Binance Smart Chain all making it a major feature of their platform. What problem does Chainlink solve? Smart contracts and blockchains can only connect and receive information from their own networks. Therefore, their use cases are at best limited. This is where Chainlink comes in. The platform offers a network of nodes that depend on oracles to allow smart contracts to interoperate with off-chain data sources and extend their capabilities to market data, bank payments, event data, and any other type of data sources. As an example, let's assume you want to build a decentralized application, DApp, that focuses on offering real-time sports results. This DApp won't work without the help of an oracle because it can't receive information from off-chain sources. By linking a Chainlink oracle, this DApp will be capable of receiving the needed information and offer all the important data to end users. You should note that merely using oracles is not sufficient to ensure the security and reliability of using a centralized data source. To tackle this, Chainlink deploys a network of decentralized nodes that offer decentralized, trustless oracles. For example, if 8 nodes deliver the exact result for a specific hockey game, and 2 other nodes deliver varying results, Chainlink uses an aggregating contract to find out if those 2 nodes are mistaken or even untrusty, and disregard their results. This process removes the risk of mistakes when providing off-chain data to smart contracts. How Chainlink network is secured. Chainlink is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token that is secured by the proof-of-stake POS consensus mechanism. It is not like the proof-of-work POW consensus used by Bitcoin, which relies on the computer's power-guzzling abilities. POS depend on the amount of staked tokens for choosing node validators. POS protocols were made to remedy the passive power consumption that POW models require. Today, POS systems are becoming increasingly popular as they require less energy consumption. Besides, going green is the new cool. They aren't hard to scale as well. While POW has showcased its strength in the consensus model, Ethereum and other ERC20 digital assets have been rapidly growing and blazing trails in the crypto space. Upcoming Chainlink projects. As of the time of this video production, Chainlink's price is $24.01, with a trading volume of 1,296,980,417.26 and a market cap of $10,383,417,814.80, according to CoinMarketCap. This is a promising coin, and its community is lining up exciting projects to boost its place in the market. The projects are aimed at solving problems across several industries. And, as a crypto enthusiast or investor, you should keep an eye on what these guys are up to. This will definitely help you make informed investment decisions. Here are upcoming Chainlink projects. Provision of data for farming insurance startup. Arbol is the farming insurance startup that Chainlink wants to provide data for. The insurance outfit, whose application is built on Ethereum smart contracts, provides crop insurance for farmers and agricultural enterprises. What Chainlink plans to do is simple: direct data from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) and other sources. Arbol will use a combination of smart contracts and Chainlink data, thereby effectively preventing any delay on payments. So farmers would be better prepared for bad harvests and changes in weather. Here are some Chainlink news. Smart Contract Summit. This is the platform's largest event of the year, and it's all about blockchain. The conference is expected to hold from August the 5th to 7th, 2021. It will feature 3 full days of panels, keynotes, AMAs, and more from developers, enterprise leaders, and other leaders across the blockchain space. Chainlink partners with UNICEF. Chainlink recently partnered with UNICEF Innovation Fund to support blockchain-enabled applications in emerging markets. With this partnership, Chainlink hopes to make universally connected smart contracts the most used form of digital agreement. Chainlink joins forces with Gitcoin to support Ethereum infrastructure. Chainlink is joining the forthcoming Gitcoin Grants Round 10 as a matching partner. Gitcoin incentivizes developers to build key infrastructure and tooling like lightweight Ethereum clients, open-source programming libraries, deployment tooling, new testing suites, etc. Chainlink wants to continue to offer financial resources directly to developers in the Ethereum ecosystem. Developers can apply for Chainlink Community Grant Program. This initiative is to provide financial support to several development teams and researchers building solutions for Chainlink Network. Talented individual programmers and development teams are encouraged to apply for the grant. Bitcoin and the price of Link. Being the pioneer digital token in the crypto world, Bitcoin happens to have the largest market capitalization. It has opened the floor for the crypto industry and ensured their acceptance and adoption globally. As such, it has an incredible potential for influencing other cryptos as well as the entire market. But it doesn't affect the price of other digital tokens all the time. For example, Link isn't affected by much BTC price actions. Bitcoin has recently reached the $40,000 threshold, while Link hardly increases beyond $26.44. No indication that Bitcoin's bearish performance or otherwise affects Link. To understand this better, I looked at their correlation analysis. Correlation analysis between prices of different assets tells us how they relate and influence each other. BTC and Link do not have a substantial relationship. Oftentimes, when BTC increases in value, Link hardly moves. Link price prediction. As you already know, Chainlink wants to bring interoperability to the crypto landscape, where smart contracts connect to real-world applications. That is totally unique from what other blockchain platforms offer. In January 2021, Link traded at $11.45, and surprisingly, it reached $51.17 in early May. After stock prices declined in the market on May 19th, Link plummeted from $36.8 to $21. Since then, though, its price has been steadily surging. Chainlink keeps attracting a lot of new users, and many analysts think the basics look healthy. Considering that the altcoin has been proactive in launching its developments and projects as scheduled, it has consistently grown. So, by the end of 2021, Link might reach $80 to $100. Then again, considering all news and market sentiments, playing hide-and-seek or any contingency no one saw coming, or even competitor coins giving a difficult road ahead, Link price might demonstrate a marginal correction. This will reduce it to its support levels of around $80 to $90 at best. But financial experts' predictions have suggested that the altcoin's price may average $65.45 when 2021 ends. The maximum price is expected to be close to $70, while the lowest price may hit $56.4. With an average price of $65.45, the market cap is expected to be $77,165,441,895.23398. This is huge in contrast to how other digital assets operate. Unlike the majority of other altcoins, the price of Link was and is not materially determined by Bitcoin's price movements, yet it holds positive market promises. This is partly because Chainlink is useful in the business world. In fact, there are countless use cases of the platform's adoption across various industries. As such, the adoption of the Chainlink protocol has the potential to further increase the adoption of the Link token. Why own Chainlink tokens now? If you're still not persuaded on securing Chainlink tokens, note what I'll be saying now. Chainlink is hardly competing against any major project in the crypto space. It wants to connect public blockchains to off-chain real-world entities, like APIs, by using a secure, decentralized, and trustless system. It enjoys the advantage of being a trailblazer within the Oracle service space. While other platforms are offering services in the same niche, Chainlink is a step ahead and is already adopted by the majority of crypto projects as their blockchain Oracle provider. It is in a strategic partnership with Google Cloud. This allows Google Cloud users to use Chainlink to link BigQuery, which is one of Google's major cloud services. The Chainlink community is expanding. In fact, it has one of the largest and most responsive communities in the crypto world. The advantage of this is that investors would be more exposed to its projects. I trust that this video has answered your questions on Chainlink. Thanks for watching.